In this video, I'll show you how to connect GitHub to Lovable. First, open your web browser, go to the Lovable website, and sign into your account. Then open the project you want to connect to GitHub. Next, click the GitHub button or open the Integrations or Settings section, depending on your version of Lovable. Choose the option to connect your GitHub account. Now, you'll be redirected to GitHub. Sign in if prompted, then authorize Lovable to access your GitHub account. You may be asked to choose whether to grant access to all repositories or only selected repositories. Select the option that best fits your needs and complete the authorization. After that, return to Lovable and choose the GitHub repository you want to connect to your project. If you don't have a repository yet, create a new one directly from Lovable if that option is available, or create one on GitHub and then select it. Finally, confirm the connection. From this point on, you can sync your project with GitHub, save your changes to your repository, and collaborate with others using GitHub's version control features. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect GitHub to Lovable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.